Hello, it's Thursday, May the 6th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar continued to rise against its majors as stocks fell across the globe and commodities plunged after concern that the €110 billion aid package for Greece won't contain Europe's debt crisis, leading investors to sell risky assets and buy the dollar. Crude continued to fall, weakened by 3.37% to close at $79.97 a barrel, and gold increased by 0.5% to close at $1,174.20 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected, and Fed Chairman Bernanke speaks. The euro plunged to its weakest level against the dollar in more than a year as protests in Greece turned deadly, and Moody's Investors Service warned that Portugal's credit rating may be reduced. The euro-dollar has been trading downwards since last week and has broken its support level each time. Therefore, the momentum is clearly bearish. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 128.03 and a high of 129.96. Today, interest rates are expected to remain at 1%. The pound weakened versus the dollar and rose for a third day against the euro, reaching its strongest level in more than 8 months amid speculation that tomorrow's UK election may leave the Conservative Party in a position to form a government. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 150.72 and a high of 151.73. Today, Parliamentary Election Services PMI is expected at 57.1 versus 56.5 prior. The yen strengthened versus the majors as stocks slid across the globe and commodities plunged as investors sold growth-related assets. As long as the dollar-yen level keeps below 94, a short position is preferred. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 93.53 and a high of 94.98. No further Japanese bank holidays are expected today. The Canadian dollar reached the lowest level in more than 2 months as stocks and commodities dropped as demonstrations in Greece against austerity measures turned deadly, discouraging demand for currencies related to growth. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 102.32 and a high of 103.55. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.